Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to fix this trash which is appearing in desktop. Sometimes you don't want that thing in your desktop, so how can you remove that trash from the desktop? And if you right click here, you will find empty trash. There is no option for removing from the desktop. So we have already installed gnome tweaks, and if you are watching this video first time, please go with the how to install this gnome tweaks. I will give the link in description box, and you can also find the video in card. Let's see how can we manage this trash. So in gnome tweaks you can find lots of option there, and there is one option which is a desktop. So from this tab you can control your desktop appearance. So you can see that there is a trash is on, mount volume is also on. So you once you off this trash on button, actually this is a toggle button, and you toggle this button, you will find that trash is gone away. But if you want again, you can just toggle it and it will come. You can also manage this show icon and home icon from this desktop appearance tab, and you can see that home is also there. So this is a quick access from the other directories and other stuff. So actually I don't want that home right now in my desktop, so I just toggle this on off button. But this is the one step process how you can manage this trash and all the primary things from your desktop. So basically once you install this gnome tweaks, you can manage lots of things, and this is how you can manage this trash. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. That will be the greatest motivation for us to make such a new videos for you. So till that, bye bye, see you in next video. Thank you.